and good. All right. Alright, I am back with audio. Also, my 3D prints are done. But I'm about to start a new one because I think I may have just figured this out. I don't hate this, which I guess that's the wrong way to put it. I kind of like this, or I really like this, and I think this might work for me. I'm going to go ahead and print this out, and hopefully it's going to fit the way I think it's going to fit. The inner here is kind of rough. I could clean it up. Honestly, it doesn't really matter. All it has to do is make it so that the piece of the mirror that protrudes into the space doesn't hit. The rest of it, the only piece that's really touching the mirror is this piece over here, which I left plenty for it to stick to, you know, with some double-sided tape or whatnot. Just spilled my coffee. Alright, so it's off of the build plate. So far, overall impressions is I really like it. I am having a fitment issue. I already test fitted it and it does fit in there exactly how it's supposed to. But right here, I did not make enough clearance. Unfortunately, I would probably have to like fully redesign this area right here in order to fit it. I could probably notch right there for now, but either way, I want to see these mounted on the car because so far I do kind of like, I like this. I don't know. It gives it a little something extra. And I'm not worried about these layer lines either. I saw there was a way that I can smooth these out, but I'm not too worried about it because once I had this ready to go, when I had a final piece that I was going to use, I was going to carbon skin it anyway. So yeah, I'm not too worried about those layer lines really because I have to sand it up. The fitment is very close. Like I said, the only part that fits all the way around except for right there, just that one little point. So I was going to try to shave it down with the razor first to see if that will help. But yeah, I need to get this mounted on the car and see what it looks like and see if I actually want to make the effort to adjust that. That's going to be tomorrow's project because it's already nighttime. So I'm going to head to bed. We'll pick this up later. It's the next day. I got the part printed, and that's what it looks like with it on. This side is without it on. If I was going to go with this, if I was going to run this, what I would do is carbon skin this the way I've been doing my other parts. So, you know, give it that chopped carbon look with, and probably add some gold in there so that it starts matching all the other parts that I'm doing. But yeah, now that I'm looking at this, I really like how it looks from the front. But once I go around the other side, I'm starting to realize that I should probably just design a full mirror at this point, which I initially a while ago wanted to do, but was limited. And when I made this mirror cap, I actually kind of unintentionally designed half of the mirror. So really going forward, I think I'm going to just do the mount also, like create a new mount for it and probably make it a two-piece design, or it might be one piece. I'm not too sure. No, it actually does have to be two-piece because of the size of the print, unless I make it smaller. I don't know, we'll see. But yeah, so far I am happy with the shape, but I think I'm gonna have to go with just creating my own full mirror design. So, but yeah, that's where I'm at with the mirror. Hit that like button if you want to see me complete this mirror project, and subscribe so that you can see when the next video comes up. Thanks for watching.